Bless up, bless up, bless up, my people. Welcome back to Asomasi TV, or welcome if it's your first time. And may I apologize in advance for the noise. If you hear some background noise, I'm driving while I'm doing this recording. Not sure if you heard by now, but controversial cult pastor Kevin Smith had a terrible accident and has passed as a result yesterday morning. This so-called accident right now, to me, has left more questions than answers. You know, it was said they were transporting him to Kingston to face charges for the situation in the church with the human sacrifice and all of that. And on the way to Kingston, which the Mobe police who released a statement said they took with what they say was the safest route to Kingston, which is the back roads, which make no sense when you have the highway you can take, right? They on back roads at the accident somewhere on Bagwalk bypass, and happened to look like, to me, by the look, like it was a head-on collision. Like it looked to me, there's a pickup truck. To me, look like that pickup truck rammed that car. And the police, the release that the police say, they make no mention of that pickup truck. What the police is saying is that the car rolled over, right? Now there was another police vehicle in front of that car, the car that rolled over with the pastor. There's a police supposedly in front of that car, and I'm thinking there should be one behind it too, because she's saying in all there was 9 police officers that was transporting him. 3 that was in the car with him, and 6 others. So I don't know if all 6 was in the pickup, the truck in front, or the car in front. But the car and the report from the car in front is that they heard a loud crash and saw the car roll over. They never make a mention of the car hitting another car or another car running into the car, right? No mention is made of that. But in pictures that I see so far, there's a pickup truck with the front, mash up on the scene, and there's no mention of it. Now, sorry to say that I don't know if it's a driver, I'm assuming it's a driver, a young police officer, 26-year-old, lost his life also as a result of that accident, or so-called accident. And 2 others that was in the car, are in critical condition right now in the hospital. But this does not look good. You understand? This smell like something somebody cook up. There was also supposed to be a second prisoner that was being transported to Kingston also. No mention of that prisoner. You understand? Now, Jamaica is a small place. A big country like America, or some of these European places. So anything that happened in Jamaica, it's sure under a magnifying glass, being that Jamaica is so small. You understand? This pastor, I put out a few other videos before this one, and I was mainly concentrating my thoughts on the regular everyday people, thinking, this man is taking advantage of, people that are not well educated, and that was my frame of thought. But after this whole incident here, I am starting to realize that there's a lot of people tied up with this man. You understand that? When I say a lot of people, I mean very influential, you know, up there in society people. You understand? People who don't want that information to get out to the public and will do anything to prevent that information from getting out to the public. Now, if you put all of that together and this, so-called accident with all the stuff that makes no sense whatsoever and stuff that you're seeing in plain sight that is not being mentioned, what else, what else are we supposed to say, or somebody with a brain that should see things and pick up things and know better? Come on, my people, come on. Look into everything for yourself. Look into it. Them transferring him to Kingston, okay, routine. I can say that's routine. The vehicle they're transporting him in, not routine. When they're transporting prisoner, they use like a military style vehicle. Something tough. You understand? Something where it can be secure. Right? This is a regular little plain soft car. You understand? Them car there nowadays, you use your finger and push them car them and dent them up. Right? Number two, he didn't seem to be wearing any handcuffs, because when they pull him from the car, he was not handcuffed. Right? Number three, why take the back roads when you can take the highway? What the police said, the Montego Bay police, what they said, they took the safest and fastest way. How in the world is back roads the safest and fastest way? Wouldn't that be the highway? You have a police escort, right? You have a police escorting you. Why would you take the back roads? You understand? Now, there was a laptop found. I am waiting to hear if there is information recovered from this laptop implicating people into this thing here. I will say, okay, things are looking on the up and up. But if that laptop should come up that the information is mysteriously gone, like them say, you wipe. What them say? No, you bleach. Them say you bleach. That's what them say nowadays. You bleach the laptop. If that situation should occur, people, I tell you, say this go bigger than anything that we know. Okay. Anyway, stay tuned, my people, and Asami TV. All right. Leave a comment, like, share. Let me know your thoughts. Bless up.